Hey everybody, welcome back. It's BG Show Games. Welcome back to Xenoblade Chronicles DE. Last time, we discovered somewhat the truth of Mechon and Beyond to figure out we're somewhat helping the bad guy, I guess, or the Beyond is the reason why Mechon is dealing with all this sort of stuff, which is kind of sad and tragic. But this episode, however, we're gonna start off doing a lot of side quests because on top of doing main quests, because this place is very big and very long, as you could tell, because I played this game so many times. I've done all the quests in this area a lot, and they could be pretty long. So for this first one, we gotta kill 56 M56 haste on top of other enemies. So while on top of that, we're gonna mention a lot of things about the Mechon's Bionis too. Mechon's Bionis. So the fact that we are finally knowing the true origin of Bionis and Mechonis and figuring that something bad is gonna happen throughout later in the story, it kind of shows that more character development between our partners. Like Shulk wanted to kill the Bionis because they killed Fiora. Now all of a sudden, since he knows the real reason, because of he's being hinted by all these characters, it foreshadows this right here, what's been really going on, why the two titans fought for over 1,000 years. But it gets even deeper through that when we get further into the game, and we'll know the true history of the Monado and Bionis, why this is happening also strangely. And also, I think that's a really good way to sum up this whole adventure, what we are doing. This may sound like a spoiler, but no, I won't say anything because because I want you guys to figure this out on your own throughout this playthrough, what I really mean. But yeah, I think last part really showed sort of something into our eyes about what's been really going on. Like, Mechonis is somewhat on our side, and we're the one being mistaken, and just because of a little mishap that something the Bionis did. It seems like we're ultimately helping the Bionis fulfill its dream, or something like that. I don't know how to properly explain it, but that's just my state right there, my little intake. Bash Black. Double win. Oh dang. Alright, that's done. And 6 hate. So yeah. Just like the other areas, a lot of item ores to collect for 100% completion. And I think I get all of them this part or something like that. I don't really know. Whenever I play Xenoblade, I never really get all the items in this particular area. Maybe for some areas, but not a lot of them. Just choose Monado Buster and bam. May not have done as much, but just do whatever you can. Got a vision. Heart attack. Huh. Never give me the day, haste. Ha, get it? Haste because he moves fast and we have haste gems in this game. I'm not making sense. Alright, 31,000 damage. That's good. I'm probably gonna start playing as Fiora because I like playing her. And also, we're just spreading up a video around and leveling up our skill trees between players. Shulks, Fioras, especially Fioras, not done. Let's just turn on my speed shift and get rid of this fast. Then just use my sword drones and yeah, and so use another Manalo enchant. The AI is so bad at times. Here's another chain attack. I mean, we're just getting chain attack off left and right because you know they spread off good affinity. You know, 22,000 damage, but yeah. So while we're going through this, I want to mention the little main quest. So we could have done this last part, but I want to make the last part short because I didn't want to make it long because I had stuff to do. So with this main quest, we gotta flip some switches to get access to the portal in this place.
Let's stay alert.
They're like these little towers everywhere that have switches for you to flip. And they open up one of the light bulbs or switches in the background, so it'll activate for you to, you know, open up the secret passage to the next area or a new area. And honestly, when you're trying to do this, it's normal when you're playing the game normally without doing side quests, but if you're doing all the side quests, it can take a long time because there's a lot of enemies everywhere, and just, you know, and it just gets mad. But it doubles up the playtime of this game for me, because I want to show how much of a no-life I am when it comes to JRPGs, and just how much I love playing them, you know. But yeah. The first oh, mass-produced faces. We haven't seen these guys in a long while. So these are like Sword, except now he's not that much of a threat. But he can still be a bit of annoying because he does hit quite hard. It may not look like it because he's kind of whipping attacks. Oh yeah, and he has attack boost. Let's use a chain attack. Oh, he used bind. Double blade.
Leave it to me.
Good edge.
I'm on it.
Headshot. 30,000 damage.
Okay, perfect. This is how we do it.
I'm kind of sad that I had Charlotte on the team because she kind of messes up the chain attacks, as I haven't mentioned before, or as everyone has mentioned in the comments. Okay, we got delayed blades. So, also guys, in the comments below, type in the comments if you think I should do like the super bosses or not in the post game of Xenoblade Chronicles. Personally, I don't think I want to do them because they're kind of long, or should I show up all the heart-to-hearts in this game? Tell me what I should do for future parts of this LP. So that's just me. Also, we found out Teletia, didn't get to read it because I was talking to the players. And we gotta kill these guys as well. M55 Dread. The dreaded M55. But yeah, this place is indefinitely long. Really, really long. And it's gonna take a long time. Probably take like 2.5 parts to get this place done. Also, thanks, Charla. Yeah, bang. And we also gotta kill these guys. Offensive grade. Nice. Do the chain attack. Spear blade.
Now's your chance.
Back slash.
Go for it.
Headshot. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, and he dropped the gold chest.
Nice. We were amazing.
Let's see what he dropped. Mind Blast. Oh, that's something for Amelia. Let me see if I have enough SP. Oh yeah, decent amount. The Mind Blast and Mind Pit is not really that useful because it doesn't always seal up arts like Shulk's Purge 100% of the time. But you know, that's how it be, you know, how it be sometimes. I'm gonna skip travel back over here and try to get those more of those M67 hastes. So see you guys back.
Okay, let's go.
I'm ready.
I don't want any.
Shala, go for it.
I'm on it.
There we go. We killed the last one. And while this is going on, this chain attack is still going on. Okay, let's use double win and kill this last enemy.
Leave it to me.
Slit edge. Alright, it did a good amount of damage.
Not bad.
We were amazing.
Yeah, that was kind of the easy peasy. You don't have to kill any more of these M67s. I wish it said 69s, because, you know, money. And Choke just wasted an out buster.
Okay,
Well,
let's
with
get
the
going.
thing, so. M56 onions.
Okay, let's go.
Oh man, the enemies here are really something, you know. I said this many times, I know I may sound original, but the enemy names are just whack. We had Waste, Onion, and Haste. It's like, Monolith Soft, really? Couldn't think of anything else. Well then, the Legend of Zelda
I'm on it.
made an enemy boss called fucking,
Everyone.
Manhandler.
Nice.
So I can't give props to them. But you know, it's like when you play a video game and the enemy names that you see has me so weird to me, you just gotta make fun of it. But that, I guess that's just my experience of being a gamer growing up. But you know, alright.
Let's keep this up.
We make a great team. Come on, we can do it.
Alright,
I don't
so
want anyone dying out there.
All right. I'm feeling it.
these,
I'm feeling
it might take a while to get all these quests done, but they do give off good money and experience. So if you want some more cash for like the end game when you want to get all the equipment you want, it's well worth the effort to get all this done here and then, along with the main quest. Because the equipment that you get later on in the game can be really, really expensive. And you know, it just gets draining when you don't have, you want to buy something really useful, and it's so freaking expensive. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I kind of changed some of our party's equipment up a bit. I gave Fiora Ether Glasses 2 for debuff resist for the haste or speed shift to give her that defense up. I gave her a little bit of haste for more out of that, 40%. Ether up, more of that. Shulk has the same set. Charlotte still the same Still physical protect, recovery up, agility up. But I think physical protect. Wait. Kind of want to give this one to Shulk because he is kind of frail. 45%. That should be great. Oh yeah, Charlotte, I gave her double attack and arts heal too. Because, you know, she's a healer, you know, I feel like it'd be good. Ryan, hunting was changed. Dumbass, hunting changed. Ricky, Melia. She still has her unbeatable gem and HP up. And muscle up, so. And Dumbass still has his haste up and aggro up gems, so. I feel like that we are pretty good there. So with that one out of the way, let's do this next one. We gotta kill M36 Scares. Or Scar, or something like that. Let's transfer to the first platform. Oh damn it, I can't jump over there. Oh yeah, we also, there's some specific item which we gotta collect. Oh crap, with this thing. But yeah, some of the, there's quests here that also have you collect some items for like materials. And don't worry about Colony 6 later because I'll be getting the items later on or off screen during my own time. Because just trying to get them all and cutting, it's just, you know, backslash, headshot, 47,000 damage.
Nice. We were amazing.
Yeah. A lot of monsters everywhere just for quests, and you know.
We're starting to look like a team.
I'll probably not cut, I'll probably still cut through all these, but still will show the end of them. Nice job, Shulk. Alright, Grape Spring. That sounds really majestic and very delicious. Sounds like something that you would drink like spring water. And we got this thing. Exterminator Ember. Now I got one thing to say about this. This guy right here may not be in trouble, but there's a unique monster here that is really freaking mean. I will explain later, but when we actually get to it. Backslash. Headshot. 28,000 damage. Well, yeah. These days can be kind of annoying, especially with the unique monster that I mentioned earlier. But, like I said, we'll mention that later. Activity strong. Why is Shulk using an Owl Eater? I guess just put bleed on it. Just for damage over time.
Let's keep on going like this, guys.
Part L. Oh yeah, another thing. Enemies with also quests, enemies have parts that you need. This unique monster here, showing us off, Experience Tristan. That's a real person's name if I ever heard one. Like, just being real here. That's just me though, man. like, you know, Tristan. Imagine they be a robot Tristan. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean. I know people say that robots are just machines, they don't have feelings. But that's still kind of, you know, just more show, get off that Monado armor, you know. You know, I may not, I would still take the topple, but just use chain attack and try to get off some damage. Double blade. Good. Edge. Headshot. No fourth attack.
Nice. We were amazing. Everything's so close. 1, 2, 3. Wait, don't rush off.
I'm feeling it.
I really like
Good thing I gave Fiora art heal for arts like sword drum.
everyone.
We can definitely do this.
Because the amount of hits it goes off, it'll restore 40 points of damage back. Thunder Flash. I know people think that some of the gems in this game are not that, but to me they're cool sometimes.
Now's your chance.
Just use Slit Edge.
Go for it.
I'm on it.
Headshot.
Not finished yet. My turn.
Spear Blade.
You're not done yet.
Leave it to me.
Backslash.
It's not over yet.
Okay.
Little blah.
Hey, not so fast. My turn.
And wow, we are just killing it. S-Slide.
We can do it.
You don't need to
105,000 damage, man. That was nice right there. Oh yeah, and that was a M3 Scar. But yeah. Magna Blade 2, Magna Nibbler 2. Let's see what those are. Okay, they're the same thing. Nothing really special, you know. Okay,
Come on. We can do it. I don't want anyone dying now.
alright, so
Leave this to me.
another offensive brave. So let's just try to kill it and defeat its foul.
I can do it. I know I can. That's a good sign for her.
Yeah, you're the Monado's light. Oh, great. Good video. Playthrough's actually going pretty well. And that's done.
No problem at all.
Quickie.
We make a great team.
And there's also those things right there. Ugh. Remember those things? Yeah, with spike effects? Yeah. They are back. Kinda wanna switch sharp. Have Melia in the party. Zedonzia's Palace.
Now you shall witness our power.
Let me just use Summon Ice. Because Summon Ice along with Summon Bolt is pretty strong. Along with it being Ether Art and along with my Ether Up gems, along with this is why I'm showing off. Starlight Kick. Yeah, that spike effect right there, dangerous as hell. Exactly. Backslash.
Keep it coming.
Okay. My turn.
Just use Sword Drone.
We're not done yet. Leave it.
Okay, let's use Summon Ice. Block. Shake a edge. Nice. M8, M87 Grand. Then my most enemy that I think is annoying. Honestly, because those spike effects, man, are just annoying. Those topple spikes.
Spirit is mine.
Christ, man. Just have to deal with spike effects in general in this game are annoying. It's not gonna get any better further on in this game. He's just annoying in general. I hate him, man. But we'll get to that much later on when we're doing Mechonis, you know. Alright, try to get you some of both. Chain attack time. Alright, Slit Edge. And 67 radar. Your blade. Oh, summon bolt. So awesome. Melia, you're so awesome. This is what I was talking about. Wise Greemery. He has a big spike effect right there. Unless you have an enemy unless you have a teammate that could handle the aggro route and with choke spit out purge, it's gonna be decent. So not only we have a unique monster right here. Meditative Barla. I can't spell the name properly, but whatever. So this guy is probably, oh, I could topple it. And yeah, I can topple him, I can do all that kind of stuff. And you know, yeah. Alright, that's done. We got 75,000 G. We're making some money here, and we get a gold chest. Let's see what it is. Magna Blade 3. I forgot what this one is for that, man. Oh, okay, it just has extra slots. I kinda wanna keep the Magna Blade 2 because it probably has better gear. More M87 Grands. These tall little Mechon that are just flat. We use Mind Blast, you know. Maybe try to art steal it. There we go. Topple. Now remember, Melia's seal is not like Monado Purge. It won't steal auras. It'll only art steal. Which is kind of why I kind of prefer Show a lot more. And you are gonna level up. That's nice, nice. New part L too. Huh. Teletia Bridge. I'm gonna give a quick spoiler about another one of the quests here. So there's a quest where you gotta find all these Teletia corpses everywhere, and it kind of gets off a good detail why there's Teletia in the Mechonis. I remember from last part, the Mechonis attack. No, Bionis attack Mechonis and set all their Teletia over the Mechonis and kill the Mechon.
That was great, guys.
And those ancient Teletia corpses, it's more evidence on why the Mechonis is trying to kill Bionis, because, you know, well, or that the Bionis is really the enemy, because if the how to explain it? How do I do this? Bionis here. Also, yeah, destructive force. Oh yeah. Good. Well, let me continue talking. The Bionis wanted to wipe Mechonis off the face of the earth so he can, like, I don't want to exploit it for different reasons, you know. Because, you know, Bionis for some reason just wanted to wipe it out, so I guess he had an intensity plan or something like that. So he sent all the Teletia he created. Remember, the Teletia is made from the Bionis itself. So the fact of the matter is, he wants to send his destructive creations that is meant to destroy Lava Bionis to go on the Mechonis to wipe out everyone on the other side of Mechonis. I just get that gets all good foreshadowing, if I do say so myself, because you know we really wanted we thought for the longest time the Mechonis was really our enemy, but it turns out, until we go into more detail, Mechonis is probably someone fighting for our side. The party doesn't truly know that yet, but what I honestly think, in my opinion, it just shows that we're the assholes here.
Keep it coming.
We're helping. We thought we were trying to save the world, but instead we're making more problems happen. I just think that gives off good reason why Mechon's trying to stop us. Like, you know, I just get that good. That gets off good character development. You know, good characterization of story and characterization. All in all, the story and plot of this game is just so understanding why I like this story so much. Because it just gives off a sense of emotion and explanation, you know, on what the true meaning of the world is to us. Like this world we're in right now. And it just gives off a sense of feels, you know? A sense of feeling that no other person would understand. That's, I'm saying, wow, you are went flying, but I'm at 87 grand. Let's put this other switch. Third portal control platform. But yeah, man, this is. The story gives off a sense of feel, especially when we go very, very deep into it. I feel like it gives off so much more development that no other video game series will probably do a good job at it. It probably would, but I think this Xenoblade Chronicles just does so much better with it because the characters, the plot, the story. Oh yeah, select the course right here. Examine. I've investigated the legend just like the terminal ordered. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, get this fairy tale Doid. Fairy tale. You guys ever watch that? That's a very good anime. I haven't finished it, but I'll try to finish some animes that I'll try to finish it. And some other animes I haven't got to finish. So we got more M55 red. Again, not that much of a problem because we are well equipped for the challenge. And I missed a button challenge because, you know. Use a Mind Blast. Art Seal it. And another fairy or M67 Scar.
Piece of cake.
Oh, our bag is full, dang. Oh yeah, in the meantime, let me see if I could craft some gems, see if I can get some good materials, either down, so what events? Agility up. Alright, with that crafting out of the way, let's go find some more enemies to kill. How many more squads are there? Oh, I gotta kill like 4 more, so I'll see. Let me go kill the the rest along with these M50. Let me go kill the rest. Actually, let me go kill. Let me kill these 4. Let me kill these 2 enemies here. And I'll kill the. Oh, let me talk. I'll kill the 2 dread enemies, and then I will come back when I get the rest of the scars. So.
Now you shall witness our power. Good luck, everyone. That's gotta hurt. Fiora!
Alright, that one's done.
This isn't going.
Well, before we get the rest, let's press the switch. Verification device. And that switch is on as well. Alright, that final scar is finished. But on top of that, we got another unique monster quest to kill. Then Gaba Bugabond Al like that. He's one of the captain of those little flying Mechon fairies. Or something like that. I would say some crap out of my ass. But it's just a chain attack, so.
Leave it to me.
Just use backslash. He's kind of weak if I'm gonna be real here. Just use spear break. Just use slit edge. 88,000 damage, you know. You know he's commander because he has a laser coming out of his butt. And that quest is done as well.
When did you two get so tough?
Jeez.
Just
See what he
because
dropped?
We're girls, we're supposed to be
Oh, light heal.
Right. I'm afraid you have much to learn about the fairest sex, Shulk.
Why do I get the feeling that mastering the Monado is going to be easier?
Ah, that was cute. Well, yeah, we got to upgrade for light heal. Now Shulk could even be more of a healer as he already is. I guess I could level up Shadow Eye a bit. Get that aggro reduction. Level up his shield R a bit. Armor. This is good for now. Shield level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Level 9. Let me check on the others. Fiora's doing great. Shutdown, I don't really even using it. Ryan. Should have leveled up Berserk. Get an added bonus out of it. Okay, Sorig Tepis. I mean, yeah, Sean can come in. Ryan, the party. Oh no, let me add Ricky. Cause let me check the affinity on my characters. Shulk is good with everyone. Ricky is not. Tommy's pretty decent. Look at this affinity chart. We're basically built different, you know? Get what I'm saying? Okay, civilization. M56 radar. Maybe I could do it this round. Let me skip travel over here. Top it out, I want to kill this M87 Grand. Because, you know, they're annoying. They have spike attacks. And they're just not worth the effort to win, you know? Dealing with enemy with spike attack. Oh, Bricky, that's safe. Sorry. It was bad, but it tastes like good because I did not want to deal with spike attack. Yeah. Spirit Breath. On top of it, don't be having a haste up gem +2. Goated. Jeez, we just annihilated it.
Victory is ours.
And that one quest is done.
Piece of cake.
New part L. Alright, so more of these things. Soaring Tempest. Use another one. Chain attack, Soaring Tempest. Christ, man, it's crazy. Slash. Fighty. Fight. Indeed, just like old times. Well, yeah. I'm kind of getting to be nice and easy, nice and quick here. It won't be when I start running all over the place. But you know. Sorry, that's it. But edge. Okay, time 3 save. Sorry. Yo, slash. 57,000 damage. Okay, okay. Not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. And Shockwave is his power. Slayer! Oh, dang it. I hate you. Yeah, the last. Use the chain attack. Oh man. Mass produced phase, it's been a while since we've seen. It's been so long. I think like back in Gower Plain, we fought Sword. He used Peekaboo. Yeah, we'll cut you open. Backslash. Nice.
How do you like that?
Man, I love chain attacks in this game. They're so awesome. Everything about this game is awesome. Advanced plug. Bloodstained face. Whatever. Let me see how many quests I got left to do. A lot more, so. We're gonna stop the video right here, so. Next time on Xenoblade Chronicles DE, we're gonna continue on with this quest and our main quest to see if we're gonna be able to be prepared for what's coming up later on. See you guys then. See you, my peoples.